This crab is being attacked by a weird-looking thing that
Most commonly, ang comment sa video na to ay AI. Understandable, but it's not. Kilalanin natin ang planetarian platform. Makikita sila all over place on Earth. Sila ay fully carnivorous worm. Accordingly to scientists, they are biologically immortal. They will not die on natural causes. They also known the best regeneration creatures on Earth. We cut them to 2 pieces. The 2 pieces was alive with the same memories. In fact, the scientists cut them to 279 pieces. Alam niyo ba kung ano nangyari doon sa 279 pieces na yon? They are all alive with the same memories. Now I know Venom is real. This is the real symbiotic.